What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the roar of the Blackbear for Unka in Crimson Desert. A great hammer that only Unka could build. This big boy packs 21 points of attack damage, a level 1 critical rate, and level 1 attack speed. It's also got abyss gears that are a +1 in attack speed and attack damage, along with one that recovers resources on kills. You can find this one inside the territory of Payloon. It's by the river to the left of Payloon's letter U. Zoom in and it's right at this waypoint where the river is cut, just a little bit to the southeast of the Ashclaw slave camp. Be careful, since if you're still early in the game, there will be a lot of enemies if you travel there. Upon arrival, you'll find this waterfall. Glide down until you reach the bottom, where you'll find a pile of rocks. This indicates we're on the right spot. Now ready your weapon, stand close to the waterfall, and do this stab attack with shift and right click. When you get to the other side, pull out your lantern and venture deeper into the cave. At the end, you'll find a couple of chests and extra loot. Open up the shiny chest and you'll get the great hammer for Unka. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.